Hello everyone. With another problem, let us solve it. Once again, we have to determine the structure of a compound with the formula C9H11NO2. It is provided. Along with that, we are provided infrared spectrum, carbon NMR, DEPT 135, DEPT 90 and a proton NMR. Using all this, we have to find out the structure of the compound. So let us start. Observing the spectra, we calculate the index of hydrogen deficiency as 5. When we observe all the spectra, the problem suggests an aromatic ring having an index of 4. And the remaining index of 1 is assigned to the carbonyl group, which is found at 1708 centimeter inverse. Now this value of this carbonyl group is too high for an amide. We say amide because of the presence of N group. That is, it is in an traversable place for a conjugated ester, while the NO2 present in this formula suggests a possible nitro group. But this cannot be possible because we need 2 oxygens for the ester functional group. Now, when we observe the spectra carefully, there is a doublet at 3400 centimeter inverse. Over here, there is a doublet which is perfect for a primary amine. Now see the carbon NMR. It has 9 peaks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These peaks corresponding to 9 carbons, which we have already been provided in our molecular formula. 167 ppm, this peak corresponds to the carbonyl ester. Now the remaining downfield carbons are attributed to the 6 unique aromatic ring carbons. From this we know that the ring is symmetrically substituted. Also, the DEPT results confirm the presence of 2 carbons with the carbon attached protons at 131 and 147 ppm and 4 carbon atoms with one attached proton. At 116, 199 and 120. 119 and 120 and 129. So from this information we come to know that it is a ring which is di-substituted. Now let us look carefully at the aromatic region in the proton NMR spectrum to determine the substitution pattern of the di-substituted ring. In this full 300 MHz spectrum, there are 4 protons between 6.8 and 7.5. And that each set of peaks represent 1 proton. Though it is difficult to see the patterns on the full spectrum, when we carefully observe it, we see that there is a doublet at 7.42 ppm So you can see here at 7.42 there is a doublet, there is a singlet at 7.35, there is a triplet 1, 2, 3 peaks at 7.19, and at 6.84 again you can see 2 peaks, that is a doublet over there. Thus you can say that this pattern suggests a 1-3 die substituted, that is you can say meta position. Now here anisotropy, it also plays a role. It causes the protons, that is at G and F, they are next to the carbonyl carbon, and these they shift towards the downfield region. Now the other two protons, they are in the upfield in the aromatic region. Because of this kind of splitting patterns and chemical shifts, we should be able to assign the protons in the aromatic region. Although not as reliable as proton NMR evidence, the aromatic out of plane bending in the infrared spectrum, it suggests a meta-die substitution. That is at 680, this is 600, approximately here 680, over here 760 centimeter inverse, and approximately here 880 centimeter inverse, meta-die substitution can be confirmed. We have studied about these peaks. Now let us see this, the quartet and the triplet. It is found upfield. The region where it is found is upfield. Around 4, this is 4 to 5. So we can say it is around 4.3 ppm. And over here, this is 1.5 somewhere here. So we can say this is at 1.4 ppm. Two peaks are found, and that is quartet and triplet over here. So this we can say it is ethyl group. It may have a presence of ethyl group. That is presence of CH2, CH3. So probably in the 4.3 region it is CH2 and here it is CH3. So we have done everything. Okay, here. The last one, finally here, you can see it is a pretty broad peak. It is a peak for NH2 group. This comes at around 3.8 ppm, we can say. In between 4 and 3, it is 3.8 ppm. It is integrating 2 protons. Therefore, we can say an amino compound is present. So, let us confirm the structure now. We have got a COO group. We have got ethyl group. We have got amino group. We know it is meta-die substitution. So, let us write down the structure. An aromatic ring, a carbonyl carbon along with ester carbon with an ethyl group, die substitution, meta position. So this is 1, 2, 3, this is the meta position having NH2 group. Let us write down the protons. That is H, H, H and H. CH3 we are having at A. I'll put it A here. CH2 we are showing CH2 at C. So we will write down C here. At G and F, presence of protons. So this is G and this is F. These are pushed away from this carbonyl ester. Lastly, we have D and E. So the name of our structure is ethyl 3 amino benzene, but since it is an ester, so it is benzoate. Ethyl 3 amino benzoate. Thanks for watching. In this way, you can very easily find out the structure of a given compound when spectral evidences are given. This needs practice. Practice as many problems as you can and you will master the art. Keep watching.